Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make university notes. To begin, understand that effective note-taking is an active process, not just transcription. Before each class, gather your materials, whether it's a notebook and pens or your preferred digital device. During the lecture, focus intently on the main ideas and key concepts presented by your instructor, rather than trying to write down every single word. This selective approach ensures you capture the most vital information for later study. Next, let's explore the highly effective Cornell note-taking method. This technique involves dividing your page into 3 distinct sections: a large main notes area on the right, a narrower cues column on the left, and a summary box at the bottom. As you listen, record your lecture notes in the main section. Afterward, use the left column for keywords or questions, and finally, write a concise summary of the entire page at the very bottom. This structure greatly aids in review and recall. Moving on to digital note-taking, these tools offer fantastic advantages for organization and accessibility. You can easily incorporate multimedia elements, such as images, diagrams, or even short audio recordings, directly into your notes. Utilize tagging and linking features to cross-reference related topics, creating a comprehensive knowledge network. Remember to back up your digital notes regularly, perhaps daily or weekly, to a cloud service or external drive, ensuring your hard work is always safe and recoverable. Finally, the most crucial step is reviewing and refining your notes. Aim to revisit your notes within 24 hours of the lecture to solidify the information in your memory. During this review, elaborate on any brief points, clarify ambiguities, and actively engage with the material by rephrasing concepts in your own words. Consolidate information from your lecture notes with textbook readings or other resources to create a single, comprehensive set of study materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.